Today, I'll show you how to embed a video in a Substack post. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to take a video from YouTube and place it directly into your article so readers can watch it without ever leaving your page. First, head over to substack.com in your browser. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're on your Substack dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the option that says Create. This is where you start any new piece of content on Substack. Click on Create, and from the options that appear, choose Article. This tells Substack that you want to write a standard post, which is the perfect format for including embedded videos alongside your written content. When the new article editor opens, start by adding a title at the top. This should be a clear, descriptive headline that tells your readers what the post is about. Just below that, you'll see a place to add a subtitle. The subtitle is optional, but it's a great spot for a short description or a hook that gives a bit more context and encourages people to keep reading. Next, move down into the main body of the editor and start writing your post. You can introduce the topic, explain what the video will show, or set up any instructions or commentary that will make the video more useful. It's usually helpful to mention why you're including the video and what readers should look out for when they watch it. Once you've written to the point where you want the video to appear, look to the top right corner of the editor for a menu labeled More or represented by 3 dots. Click on that, and from the options that drop down, choose Code Block. This will insert a special area in your article where you can paste code, which is exactly what we need for the video embed. Now open a new tab in your browser and go to youtube.com. In the YouTube search bar, type in the name or topic of the video you want to include in your Substack post. Browse through the results and click on the video that best fits what you're trying to share with your readers. Once you're on the videos page, move your cursor over the video player and right-click. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Copy Embed Code. Click that, and YouTube will automatically copy a block of HTML code to your clipboard. This code is what tells Substack how to display the video inside your post. Switch back to your Substack tab. You should still see the code block you added a moment ago. Click inside that code block so your cursor is active there, and then paste the embed code you copied from YouTube. You can use your usual paste shortcut or right-click and choose Paste. Substack will recognize this embed code, and when you preview or publish your article, it will display the YouTube video player right where you inserted the code block. Your readers will be able to hit play and watch the video directly within your Substack post, creating a smoother and more engaging experience. That's all there is to it. Create your article, insert a code block, grab the YouTube embed code, and paste it in. Once you've done it a couple of times, embedding videos in your Substack posts will become a quick part of your regular publishing flow.